Oh, I didn't see you guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today this is my second rainy day routine, but this is an update version of it. So, let's just get into this video. So, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it. So I'm just going to check on mom. Hey mom. Oh, sorry about that. Hold on. So hey sweet little darling, sweet little darling Francine, what do you want? Oh, I'm just wondering. I hope Boo and Gurgle in their first day of school are okay. They will be okay. They will be okay. They will be okay. Okay. Okay, mommy. Now I'm gonna rock Franz to sleep. Okay. Okay, mommy. Da, 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 da. Okay, just going to pack Francis stuff tomorrow. Oh wait, before that, let me just rock Franz to sleep. Shh, it's okay.
Oh, tapos na.
Okay,
Tapos na.
hold on.
Skip.
Oh no, why are you crying? Oh no, shh, it's okay.
Wait, ate, wait. I will join you.
Now let me rock him to sleep. Finally. Now let me just I'm just gonna put his pajamas in. Okay, now just gonna put it on the floor. And now, good night, my sweet little friends. Mwah. Now, Francine, you better get ready for your bed, okay? Okay. But before you get ready to bed, dinner, I'm gonna make dinner, okay? Okay, mommy. Just now let me just going to put this on here and the washing machine. Boo boy, girl, hey mommy, I'm just playing with Boo boy. Yeah. Okay, but you need to take a bath, okay? Okay, mommy. Okay, mommy.
Reset ko na. No.
Alright, my sweet little Boo and girl, let's take these toys and then put it up there. Time to take a bath. Now I'm just going to take them a little bath. Mommy, this is so fun of the bedtime. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just going to put you some shampoo. A little shampoo here. And then a little soap. And then just gonna dry you up. And done. Now, let me change your clothes. Let's see, which outfit for perfect for pajamas? Aha, daylight suit looks nice. Could put it here. Now what else? This one looks nice.
What's farmer short?
Okay, now let me just. Okay, now you guys take off your shoes, okay? Okay, let's see. Where's the shoe outfit? Don't forget to take off the shoes. Okay. Now let me just go to pick up the shoes. I put it here. Okay. Now this. Now put it here. Okay. Just going to wash them. Yeah. Okay. Okay, put it right here. Could I hang them in the? Just going to leave it here just to dry. Okay, now let me just going to wait, going to wake up my husband. Hey husband. Yeah. You have to get ready for your work tomorrow. Oh, okay. Let's see. Nope, I already got prepared. Oh, okay. He forgot his luggage card. Okay, so let me just go walking. Okay, now let me just read Wooly Giggle's story. Let's see. Okay, so Wooly Giggle's story. Couldn't find it. Oh well. Good night, girl. Good night, boo boy. Okay, now let me just going to make some dinner. Now let me just go make some dinner. Let's see. Salmon looks nice. Boom and Gurgle like. His friends didn't like salmon. Going to cook it in the frying pan. Where the frying pan? I'll just go look everywhere. Oh well. Oh wait, I got a good idea. Going to cook it for the whole family. There we go. Now I'm just going to put it back in. Just going to put some, get some plates. Let's see, where did I put my plates? I couldn't find it anywhere. You know what bowls would do? Yeah, bowls for the family. Put them here. No, okay. Put it. There we go. Now I'm gonna add more. There we go. Now it's also going to put big. Now it's time to make Francis milk. First, I needed some cup. Okay, spoon. Okay, just going to put it here. Yes, and a little bit. No, put it. There we go. Now it's time to make Francis for me. Milk. Just going to now I'm going to put put some milk here and put it here. Now I'm also going to pour some milk. Oh, I shouldn't have said that we're out of milk because my husband will get some milk and never come back. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour some water, tap water, and then we're gonna blend it. And then we're gonna shake it and heat it. And so wash it here. Wash. Now that okay, it's done. Okay, now that it's, I think the spoon is stuck. Oh, never mind. Where did put it here? Okay, now there we go. And put it back. Shake. Okay, so now I made the milk for the baby, and now it's time to make baby food. First, I needed some half of apples. First, I needed some fruits: a pineapple, apple, and bananas. Now it's time to make some fruits. Going to cut it. Let's see, where's the knife? Aha, there it is. Now time to cut some fruits. So let me cut some fruits. And okay, put the whole banana and this and the other one. Okay, I made everything now. I made everything already. Put the baby food. Shh. Now let me just put some. Now everything is ready. Dinner's ready. Okay, now let's. Oh, dinner's ready. I better get going. Now let me just go. Psst. Oh, what is it, Auntie? Yeah, what is it? It's dinner time. Oh, okay. I better go now. Yeah. Okay, let's bring them here. Okay, so, hey, why'd you wake me up? Guys, it's dinner time. Oh, right. Gotta carry you. And like, okay. All right, we got everything. We got the whole family here. So let's get down now. Okay, just gotta put girl here, boy here, and Franz here. There we go. We got every food ready. Oh, and I almost forgot. Lexi. Where is that boy? Lexi. Good boy. Shake. Good little boy. Okay, now it's time to put. Now it's dinner time. Okay, now I'll go get you your favorite. chicken leg. Here is your favorite doggy. Okay, this chicken leg. Put this chicken leg down here. Okay, enjoy. Nom 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 nom. Okay, Bella. It's dinner time. Here you go. Okay, now it's time for our dinner time. Wait. There we go. Okay, now let's eat now. Now let me feed. No, just gonna put back the bottle. Just gonna put back here. There we go. Okay, now it's time to feed. You feed this little one. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Okay, now let's put the plates and clean it. Okay. Now I better clean it up. Clean, clean, clean. And then the mother of in the kitchen said, "Don't forget to go to sleep now." Yes, Mom. Okay, it's bedtime for you now. So let's just just go to sleep. Meanwhile, woof, woof. Okay, now let me just make him happy. And then let's just put it back. Okay. Why is it glitching? Okay, and then let's go put it back. Wait, let's make it nighttime. Okay, then let's put the family member, and then let's put everyone to sleep. There we go. Now, there we go, and sleep, and then I was like, okay, it's time to pack my stuff for school. Where did the stationery go? Well, oh well, I guess I'm everything packed. Well, I'm everything packed. I promise. Psst. There we go. Okay, now I'm packed. Alright, good night everyone. Oh wait. Now just going to stand up for a bit and put on my sleeping mask, and then go to sleep. Hold on. How do you go to sleep? There we go. Good night. Okay, meanwhile. Okay, now let's just go to sleep. Now let me just. Okay, good night. Good night. Okay. Now let me just going to. Okay. Now let me just go and prepare some stuff. Water bottle. And this toy. Everything is all perfect. Now, and don't forget the medicine. Hey. Okay, everything is all packed. Now time to pack Gurgle's stuff. Their favorite toy. Now, put the toys. Okay, and there's. Okay, so now that they got all packed, hold on. Enter medicine. Get this pink. And then let me just going to put one of them in medicine. Okay, now that we all got the medicine, we can finally prepare their uniform, prepare their clothes for tomorrow. And then I'm going to put their glasses, and then their matching outfit. And their jacket, just in case if they're cold. Then their jacket. Then their jacket. Okay, and their diapers. Put this diaper here and here. Oh, and don't forget their matching shoes. Put their shoes here. Okay, now that we got all prepared, let me turn off all the lights. Wait. Much better. Perfect. Turn off all the lights. Now, gotta turn off these lights. Now how do I turn off? There we go. Now it's turned off. Now let me put. Okay, now everything is all turned off. Okay, let's see if I've been missing something. Okay, guys. All right, put it here and okay. Good night, guys. Okay, so well guys, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.